Hunter, how was your first night?
I still got bit, even in the mosquito net, so ain't nothing gonna protect me.
Yeah, no, there's not gonna be any sound. Time lapse.
These guys are like, fuck my life.
Oh, somebody dropped lumber.
Y'all never.
Really?
Yeah.
He's recording.
Pulling up to our terminal. This is Hunter's first flight. His first time out of the country. First time, like, kind of like going across the United States. Hunter, are you excited? How excited? From 0 to 10.
Dude, Six Flags is pretty badass. I don't know.
All right.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
Wrong terminal, bud.
Go to Alaska?
I just want to go to Alaska.
Our trip's already been delayed. Oh, sorry.
All right, God help you too.
Are you ready? This is your last chance to go back. Are you ready for the flight?
Hope it's big and fast.
Oh, it's gonna be fast.
I want big too, though. I want really big.
That's what she said. You ready? I know, we're getting ready to get on the plane.
That G-force better hit me.
G4. Alright, so you're in your first plane right now. What are you gonna do?
Look out the window.
What does it look like? We're on time. B26. Alright, let's go. Alarm's going off.
Someone got injured.
Who? Somebody? Someone?
Fell off the plane.
Somewhere?
They fell off the plane.
They fell off the plane. Filming
Everything.
the entire trip.
Fancy.
You're in a different world now, kid. Get ready to know nothing. You're now in another country. Right? There it is. First stamp. You ready? Woo! Yeah?
Did you and troops leave yet, or
Nope, still here.
still here, all of them?
Pretty much. How do you feel right now?
I should have bought a coffin. I'm in a third world country now. It's crazy. It's crazy. Definitely in a bubble in California. You think about it. like no other. I think there will be nothing outside my limits after this. So let's do this.